Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs and Unraid. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter for Unraid or things you probably don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Unraid right now and share a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can just pick one and carry on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for Unraid and why. First up, NordVPN is the best VPN for Unraid by a long shot. Why? It just works perfectly with Unraid setups. Super important for secure remote access and privacy. Speed, honestly it's one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, zero connectivity issues, no packet loss, and excellent download and upload speeds. Perfect for smooth file transfers and media streaming on Unraid. Features, it's got the most features out of any. Kill switch, meshnet for easily connecting your devices, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's got you covered to secure your Unraid server and your whole network. Pricing and support, pretty cheap for what you get, and their support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, absolutely not. That's a fact. What about encryption? They use the best tech out there, so your Unraid data stays private and safe. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and good value for the price. Negatives? The only downside is a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Unraid is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast, consistently low latency. No disconnects, no packet loss, just a smooth, fast connection for your Unraid remote access. Features, all the essentials for great privacy and secure access. Reliable kill switch, split tunneling, great if you want only Unraid traffic routed through the VPN or just certain apps. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope, they have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, top of the line AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, so that might make privacy enthusiasts a little nervous. Plus the server network's smaller than the others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set it and forget it VPN. Perfect if you want simplicity and performance for your Unraid setup. The third best VPN for Unraid is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed, very good. The huge network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server near you, so seamless Unraid access. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, an awesome ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here, letting you tweak everything exactly how you want your Unraid protected. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope, their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption uses the best tech and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also the app interface isn't as slick as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, powerful VPN. Best choice if you're on a budget, but still want a huge network and advanced features to protect your Unraid server. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Unraid. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They all work perfectly with Unraid. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Unraid. A premium experience, maximum features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and tons of advanced features for your Unraid setup. My job's done here. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.